welcome back to another great episode of Raihanna's Cuisines. Today I'm going to be finally showing you my chia seed pudding. I've had a lot of people tell me that they want to know. I love this because I can travel with the ingredients and then I just buy almond milk wherever I am and I mix it together at night and I have a breakfast in the morning. So let's get started. Super simple recipe. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in here. Now these are organic chia seeds. All right. And then I am going to add my almond milk in here. And you could do about a cup and a half. I don't really measure. I just have I go about half. And if you want to make this pudding thicker, then you could add another tablespoon, but don't do more than 4.5 tablespoons, because I think you can only have up to 1.7 ounces of chia seeds a day. So I only do 2, especially with not having a colon. I don't want it to obstruct. So I don't have my pudding where it's very thick, but you could by just making putting less of the almond milk in there or a little bit more chia seeds in there. All right. So almond milk, this, and then I usually add a little bit of this Lakanto maple syrup, and this one is great because it does not raise my insulin. It has got natural sugars, which are they're using the monk fruit and the erythritol in here. It's got 9 grams of carbs with 3 grams of fiber, which is excellent. No added sugars. So this is great. It's working great for me. This is how I sweeten it, but you could use any other sweetener you like. So I'm just going to be adding just maybe a capful in there, not too much. I don't need it very sweet because I'm also going to be putting my mix of the seed cereal that I've made. I'm going to put that in there as well. So then what I'm going to do is I also use hemp seeds, and I love hemp seeds. Just gives it a little bit more texture to this cereal as well, and it's super good for you. So I'm just going to be doing about a tablespoon of the hemp seeds, and I do this every single day. It's got the 2 grams of total carbs. Dietary fiber is again 2 grams, which is excellent, but it has a lot more magnesium, manganese, and vitamins like iron, vitamin C, and all that in there. So I love having that in there. And then lastly, what I'll do now is I mixed everything together. The sweetener is just perfect. I'm going to cover this and I'm going to refrigerate it till tomorrow. I do this every day. I refrigerate it overnight, and then the next day, this is what it looks like. So you see that the chia seeds have bloomed and it's perfect. This one has all the stuff that I had put in the one that we just made. And then what I do is I just top it off with some of my homemade seed cereal. All right. And this is it. This is perfect. This fills me up until lunchtime. So this is a great thing to have, and I love this. Now this can be versatile. You can do so much. You can flavor this with whatever you like. You can do so many things with this chia pudding. And if you do something else with it, if you decide to do anything else, go ahead, snap a picture and tag it to Raihanna's Cuisines. I would love to see your creation. And also let me know how you like these recipes. Let me know how you like these low carb recipes, and if it's making any difference to you in your lives as well. So that's about it. This is a super simple, no bake, no cook pudding, which is amazing. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Raihanna's Cuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. Share this video so we can all benefit from eating low carb.